For families in Orange Park, comfort at home means more than just keeping cool in Florida's warm climate. It also includes creating a peaceful environment, lowering energy costs, and making environmentally friendly choices. That's why more homeowners are turning to Eco Window Replacement, a solution that not only improves energy efficiency but also reduces outside noise. Let's explore how these modern windows benefit Orange Park households. Energy savings through eco-friendly design. Eco windows are built with advanced materials that improve insulation and minimize energy waste. Double or triple pane glass provides superior insulation compared to older single-pane models. Low E coatings reflect heat away in summer and keep warmth in during cooler months. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes reduces heat transfer for consistent indoor comfort. For Orange Park families, this translates into lower utility bills and a reduced environmental footprint. By upgrading to eco-friendly windows, your home works with the climate instead of against it. Improved indoor comfort. Florida's heat and humidity can make it difficult to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Old, drafty windows often allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter. Eco window replacements create a strong barrier against the elements. No more hot spots near windows during summer afternoons. Less reliance on air conditioning, leading to quieter and more comfortable living spaces. Better humidity control, helping reduce moisture-related issues. Your family can enjoy a cooler, more consistent home environment year-round. Noise reduction. For a peaceful home. Orange Park is a thriving community, but neighborhood activity, traffic, and even lawn equipment can make your home feel noisy. Eco windows also act as effective sound barriers, thanks to their insulated design. Multi-pane construction dampens vibrations and blocks sound waves. Laminated glass options further reduce outside noise. Tighter seals prevent sound leaks along the edges of windows. Whether your home is near a busy road, school, or playground, noise-reducing windows create a calmer, more private indoor space. Perfect for family time, working from home, or getting a good night's sleep. Health and wellness benefits. A quieter, more energy-efficient home doesn't just feel better, it supports your family's well-being. Reduced noise exposure lowers stress and promotes better sleep quality. Cleaner indoor air. Eco windows with tighter seals help keep out dust, pollen, and pollutants common in Orange Park's environment. Natural light without heat. Low E coatings allow in daylight while filtering UV rays, reducing glare and protecting your skin and furniture. These benefits contribute to a healthier, happier household. Increased home value and appeal. Replacing old windows with eco-friendly, noise-reducing models is a smart investment. Orange Park buyers value energy efficiency and comfort, making your home more appealing on the market. Boosted curb appeal. Modern designs improve the look of your home inside and out. Higher resale value. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive selling points. Long-term savings. Buyers recognize the reduced energy bills that come with eco windows. For families planning to stay or sell, the value is clear. Professional installation. For lasting results. The performance of eco windows depends heavily on proper installation. Gaps or poor sealing can compromise both efficiency and noise control. Professional installers ensure a precise fit tailored to your home's dimensions. Correct application of seals and insulation. Long-lasting performance against Florida's heat and storms. This expertise guarantees you'll enjoy all the benefits eco windows have to offer. Final thoughts for Orange Park families. Eco window replacement delivers a powerful combination of energy efficiency and noise reduction. By lowering utility bills, creating a quieter home, and supporting health and sustainability, these windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a long-term investment in comfort and peace of mind. With professional installation, eco-friendly, noise-reducing windows protect your home from Florida's climate while making your indoor environment more enjoyable. It's a smart choice for families who want to live better, save money, and care for the environment, all at the same time.